Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by cutting power. Unplug the machine or flip the breaker and wait 30 seconds to reset the control board. This often clears a stuck lock state. Next, inspect the door latch and strike. A bent or jammed striker can keep the lock engaged. If you see debris, use a flashlight and needle nose pliers to free it. Once done, restore power briefly to see if the control unlocks. This saves time before you disassemble parts. Once power is back off, remove the top or front panel to access the door lock assembly. Different Whirlpool models require different screws, so follow the manual. Now test the lock with a multimeter on continuity to confirm whether it's electrically open or stuck closed. This tells you if the actuator or control is at fault. Make sure to inspect the wiring harness and connector pins for corrosion or looseness, because a bad connection can mimic a locked control even when the latch itself works. You finish by replacing the faulty lock or wiring harness if tests showed an open or shorted component. Use the OEM part number to ensure compatibility. Reassemble the panel, secure screws, and reconnect power, then run the machine's diagnostic or a drain/spin cycle to confirm the lock now operates normally. If it still locks, check for control board error codes and note them. Troubleshooting tip: if the control repeats the fault, test with a known good lock or consider replacing the control board.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.